Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Design. Today we are diving into something super duper cool and absolutely fabulous. The neon green bodycon dresses. If you want to stay on top of the latest trends and look amazing, you are in the right place. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoy it. Check out this stunning neon green bodycon dresses. It's not it just awesome. This dresses is popping up everywhere right now, and it's not here to see why. The neon green bodycon colors is super bright and eye-catching, making it a top choice for anyone who wants to stand out and feel amazing. Let's talk about what makes this dress so trending. First, the color neon green is vibrating and blood perfect for making a statement. Whether you are going to a party, a special event, or just hanging out with friends, this dress will turn heads and make you the center of attention. Now the bodycon shape is not just stylish and it's also super flattering and it hugs your body in all the right place, giving you a sleek and elegant look. It's like magic. The dress fits perfectly and highlights your best features. And guess what? This dress is also really comfortable for even thought. It looks so glamorous. It's made from soft and stretchy materials. You can dance, move, and have fun without feelings restricted. Plus, it's perfect for all kind of accessories. You can pair it with your favorite shoes, jewelry, and even a cool jackets if you want to mix things up. If you are thinking about getting a neon green bodycon dress, here are a few tips. First, make sure to pick the right size for you. A perfect fit will make all the difference. Second, do not be afraid the experiment with accessories. Neon green is blurred, so you can go for gold or silver jewelry, a stylish belt, or even funky shoes. And remember, this just is not just for special occasions. You can wear it to a casual hangout and fun day out or even a virtual party. It's all about how you style it and how you feel wearing it. So, what do you think? Are you ready to add these neon green bodycon dresses to your wardrobe? Let me know in the comments below. I do not love to hear how you style it and where you wear it. And before you go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Fashion Design for more awesome fashion tips and trends. And if you enjoy this video, just look at this dress. It's such a vibrant and eye-catching pieces. Neon green is everywhere right now, and this bodycon dress is the perfect way to rock this blood color. It's not just a dress; it's a statement. So, what makes this neon green bodycon dress too special? Let's break it down. First of the colors, it totally on trend. Neon shades are making a hug comeback this year, and neon green is leading the pack. It's bright, fresh, and adds a pop of color that's hard to miss whether you are heading to a party or just want to brighten up your day. This dress is way to go. Now let's talk about the fit. The bodycon shape of the dress is designed to hug your body and highlights your curves in all the right place. It is not just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and comfortable. The material is stretchy and soft, so you can move around easily without any discomfort. Here are pro tips when you are wearing a blood color like neon green. It's all about balance. You do not need to overdo it with accessories. Simple, elegant pieces will complement the dress without taking away from its vibrant color. Think gold or silver jewelry, a classic pair of heels, or a sleek clutch. Let's see how you can style this dress for different occasions. If you are going to a fancy event, you might want to pair it with some sparkling jewelry and high heels. For a more casual look, try adding a denim jackets and some cool sneakers. You can even layer it with a blazer for a chic office ready outfits. And here's something fun, you can switch up your look by adding a belt to snitch your waist and create a more defined, or go for a blood statement neckline necklace to draw attention to the neckline. The options are endless. Another great thing about this dress is how versatile it is. You can wear it to a night out with friends, a special event, or even just a casual day out. It's all about how you style it. The neon green color is bright and fun, so it's perfect for those times when you want to stand out and have a great time. If you are thinking for adding these neon green dresses, so wardrobe, here are a few tips to make sure you get the best fit. First, check the size chart before your order. Since the dress is fitted, you want to make sure it's snacks and but comfortable. And remember, if you are ever unsure, you can always reach out to the seller for advice. Alright, let's warm things up. The neon green bodycon dresses and its bright color and flattering fit make it perfect for all sorts of occasions. If you love this dress as much as I do, let me know in the comments below. Want to hear have you do not style it and where you wear it. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Fashion Design for more awesome fashion tips and latest trends, bodycon dresses. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who need a little fashion inspiration. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating great content for you. So what do you think? Are you ready to add this neon green bodycon dress to your wardrobe? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, this dress is not just for special occasions. You can wear it a casual hangout, a fun day out, or even a virtual party. And it's all about how you style and it and how you feel wearing it. If you are thinking about getting a neon green bodycon dress, here are a few tips. First, make sure to pick the right size for you. A perfect fit will make all the difference. Second, to be afraid to experiment with accessories. Neon green is blurred, so you can go for gold or silver jewelry, a stylish belt, or even funky shoes. And guess what? This dress is also really comfortable. Even though it looks so glamorous, It made from soft and stretchy materials. You can dance, move, and have fun without feeling restricted. Plus, it's perfect for all kinds of accessories. You can pair it with your favorite shoes, jewelry, and even a cool jackets if you want to mix things up. Now the bodycon shape is not just stylish, and it's also super flattering, and it hugs your body in all the right place, giving you a sleek